JDCap26 here, just do it for Sarah's and hobbies. And we made a moderator for Air King Diana 54. And this part right here is about 71 inches, but you should measure on your gun the front sight and how long it is. This is definitely 15.2 millimeters across, and it's about 10 inches long. What we're going to do next is we're going to put the internals into this, and we also put a 7 millimeter front hole, exit hole for the pellet. This part right here comes off, okay, for now, but after, when we get the internals in, we're going to glue that on so it stays on. So this is a very hard moderator to buy if you went to go to buy it. So that's why I made my own. So stay tuned. So we're gonna take this cap off, okay? And that was a 6 millimeter hole. We got a 7 millimeter punch. We're gonna place it just in the center there, like that. See if we can get it. Sorry for my head. In the center, and I'm gonna give it a tap. And I don't know, it didn't cut it very well. Maybe it's because it's too close. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. There we go. So there it goes, like 7 millimeters. So let's put that on there. Put the block over here, put this tool over here. And believe it or not, here's the baffles. Yep, curlers. We use curlers for baffles. So let's open these up. And they said the yellow ones were supposed to fit the tubing. So I think I think two will do it. Take these clips off. I don't know, I'm thinking, depending on how they fit in. They fit in pretty tight. Let me see. Yeah, they fit in just perfectly, actually. There's one. And there's two. Two just went in. And they're not wobbling around. I need one more. Let's see. Put one more in. And we got to cut it right about there. So get the magic marker out. Cut it before that. Just pull it out with your finger like that. Now take the scissors. I thought maybe I would have to do felt. Cut it about in the center. Like that. Make sure it's nice and even. Shit in there. Perfect. So there's your baffling. You got the baffling in there. It's not going to move side to side because of the tangs. This part right here. So you're not going to experience any chipping at all of the pellet. So just put them in there loose. And the last part of this, I was going to use crazy glue for the cap. But you know what, guys? I'm going to use Goop. Take a little Goop, if I can open it. And I can't. So let's take these pliers we just bought. Let's see if we can open the Goop. And Take the cap off. Apply a little bit of goop on the tube, just one spot you need. Put your cap back on. Make sure it's on tight. We're gonna, so that doesn't smear forward, we're gonna smear it this way. Throw that away. And put the cap back on. And I'm gonna take this thing right here and just wipe it. Okay. You know, it's good that these will move inside there a little bit, you know, just for the fact that you can replace them, pull them out if you ever want to, you know, and it's all done. So that's how you put the baffling in. If you want to glue the baffling in, you could, if you wanted to, with some goop. You know, I don't suggest it, you know, but that's how you make a Diana Air King moderator. Put it on this blue sheet here to dry. And the materials are fairly cheap. This was about $9. These caps were about $9. The curlers were, you know, about $10. I actually bought a whole bunch of curlers, you know, like a kit. These were $11. You know, my wife can use the rest of them, you know, for her hair. I'll take the ones that I need. And I never had a punch set, so I bought a punch set. But I'll leave a list of the materials down below for you. You know, what I did here. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.